What is 3D printing? Imagine having your own costumed pair of shoes, your own designed phone case, and an artificial tooth. How far can technology take us? What is 3D printing?
We're developing a new technology for designers who use CAD/CAM computers. This is so that the designer can directly make a prototype from the image that he has on the screen of his terminal. We call this technology stereolithography, or three-dimensional printing.
3D printing is an automated machine that will extrude melted plastics into a pre-programmed pattern. It squeezes the nozzle and builds your model or your design. It builds it up layer by layer, which is just incredible. These are very thin layer most of the time. Thus, it can take a while. Basically, you just have to sit there and watch the machine do what it does. It is very mesmerizing. This is an amazing tool for creators and makers and people that need to design phototype part or other parts of things. Charles W. Hull is the co-founder, executive vice president, and chief technology officer of 3D Systems. He is one of the inventors of the SLA 3D printer, the first commercial rapid prototyping technology. He is named on more than 60 US patents, as well as other patents around the world in the fields of ion optics and rapid prototyping. In 1983, he had been working for a company that used UV lamps to fashion tough, durable coatings for tables when he hit on the idea to take advantage of ultraviolet technology to make small prototypes. Chuck Hull may be able to print the trophy himself, but since he is the father of 3D printing technology, he takes home the Real European Inventor Award, the Oscar of Technology, and a category of non-European countries and Industrial Research Institute Award for his invention of stereolithography. How does 3D printing works? 3D printing is part of a process known as additive manufacturing, where an object is created by adding material layer by layer. Additive manufacturing allows designers to create a complex part for machines, airplane, and cars at the fractions of the cost and time of standards, means like forging, molding, and sculpting. 3D printers now are bringing additive manufacturing to home and businesses.